The FOIFKIN F600 PC case features a stylish and contemporary design with a 270-degree panoramic tempered glass panel offering a spectacular view of your high-end hardware components. With 7 pre-installed ARGB PWM reverse fans, this case ensures efficient cooling without compromising on its stunning visual appeal. The case supports up to 10 120mm fans, providing ample cooling options for your demanding gaming or computing needs. Designed with ample space, the case is fully compatible with ATX, M-ATX, and ITX motherboards and can accommodate large components like a 360mm cooler and a graphics card up to 400mm in length. The front panel includes a variety of input and output ports, such as Type-C, USB 3 to USB 2 and audio jacks, offering extensive connectivity options. FOIFKIN offers a reliable purchase experience, ensuring quality and providing excellent customer support for any issues that may arise.